Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a WhatsApp message option inside the Google Ads. And if you are not seeing this option inside your Google Ads, how you can get these options, what are the eligibility criteria, and we're going to discuss all this thing in this video. So without wasting any time, let us start with the video. So the first thing that you need to understand that this feature is account dependable. Google is basically rolling out this WhatsApp message option slowly and it's not currently available in the all account yet. So if you don't see it, you don't have to be panicked. It's not something that you didn't wrong. And now come to our main question that where you can find it. You will find this option inside the asset section of your Google Ad account. When you go there, if your account is eligible, you will see a WhatsApp message asset available to the message asset option. But here's an interesting part. If you switch to the another Google Ad account, you might be noticing that the same feature is not available there. That because it's been rolling out to the account specific, not globally for the everyone at the same time. So if you don't see it yet, you just have to wait. Google is gradually enabling it across the accounts. And it helped, if this video helped you, you have to make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.